What's up? You want a guitar stand, but not just one, but four for acoustic, electric, bass, whatever you want. This is the Meshto multi-adjustable guitar stand, and it's even got room for a small amp right here. You could have a record player right here. You could store your picks and stuff right in here. Pretty much anything, any cables or anything. These are adjustable down here depending on the size of your guitar. And then these move right up here. These hooks where the guitar actually is going to set, these move as well. So it's super easy to put together. The only tool you need is this hex tool. They provide it. These are the instructions. I built this in, honestly, about 15 minutes, and I'm an idiot. So you guys can build this in probably 14 minutes. But honestly, I think this is great for a guitar room, like, or your music room, because this presents really well. If you have this on the wall, it's going to contrast really, really well off the wall. Have, all your different guitars kind of sitting out, have a nice amp there. It just kind of adds a vibe. And if you've got some records that you've got around, like, this is great for a music room.